Hey guys, today I have ordered this Xiaomi power bank and wireless charger two-in-one. And what is unique about this one is that it is not only wireless charger that can charge your mobile device at up to 30 watt wireless charging if it supports. Otherwise, 15 watt for the all G enabled wireless charging devices. But other thing that is unique about this one is that it is also a power bank, so wireless charger plus a power bank. So even if light goes out or something, you can be sure that your mobile is fully charged by the time you wake up. Or the power bank is detachable, so you can just take it and move with you. So let me unbox it for you and share it with you how it works and why I ordered it or liked it. Okay, we have this, I think, the foot for where your mobile device will rest. And hmm, this is our base, charging base with a cable. The cable is not detachable and it has a USB type A. I would actually liked it to be type C because most of my chargers are type C, the ones that are fast. And because this wireless charger does not come with a dedicated charging brick, so it would have been nice if it was a type C cable. But nonetheless, these are the pins where the power bank will rest, and a rubberized foot so that it does not slip away. And overall, a very premium and beautiful look because the matte black color looks really good on it. What else do we have here? And we have a type A to type C cable. This and that's because your power bank can be charged from a type C cable, or you can use it to take output to charge your other devices if you don't have a wireless equipped charger, a mobile device. And lastly, we have the power bank. This is our power bank. On the top, you can see that the wireless charging indicator is here to let you know that this is where the coil is. And at the bottom, you can see the charging pins where these pins will attach with the base. And other than that, we have this button to check the current charging, the type C, and input and output type C. So you can use it to charge your mobile device at 30 watt, and you can also charge this power bank at 30 watt directly with this USB type C. And then we have an output fast charging, I think 15 watt type A port. Or when you are using it in a wireless charging stand, all you have to do is just put it here and this short here so that your mobile device can rest and you're good to go. Right now you can see that I haven't plugged it inside a charging brick, so let me put my iPhone on top of it to show you. See, it has started charging. And if I remove this one, because this is a wireless charging bank, and see, it has charged, it started charging. So you can take it anywhere you want because it is a wireless charging power bank, and it has a 10,000 milliamps hour capacity, and you can take it anywhere. And uh, one thing that I have noticed is that it's very lightweight. So I mean, I have used other power banks from Xiaomi and Samsung as well, but trust me, they are really heavy. I mean, they are heavier than this one. This may look heavier, but it is very lightweight than on your hand. Extremely lightweight. I mean, it's lighter than my S22 Ultra. And again, you can carry it, put your mobile phone on it, and it will start charging. Or you can use these cables, output ports to charge it if there is a friend who wants to charge and he or she does not have a wireless charging enabled device. And normally when you are using it as a stand, you can just plug it in inside the charging brick and it will start charging itself. Indicators will be right here, and you can also put your mobile device on top of it and it will keep charging that device as well. So right now it is charging itself and also the device. So I think that's the really cool factor. Like, the light goes out, nothing happens, your mobile device will still keep charging. And if you want to carry it, you can carry it as well. Let me check one other thing. Can I charge? Yeah, we can. I was just trying to see if it will work with horizontal or vertical. So horizontal works. Let me, and devices. So vertical works. What about a horizontal? Let me give it a second. I don't think the horizontal works. So it only works in vertical mode. It would have been nice if it worked on the horizontal mode as well, because sometimes we are watching movies or something or YouTube video, and you would still like it to be charged and keep charging while you look at it in a full screen mode. But it does not, because the coil is a bit up. Maybe if you put something beneath it, but right now it will not charge in a horizontal position, only in a vertical position. That's a bummer. But other than that, I think it looks really nice, really premium quality material, very lightweight power bank if you want to carry it separately. And if you're not carrying it, you can just put it on your base and know that it will be fully charged. And then you can also put your device. And even if light goes out or something happens, you can know that your device will be still fully charged. That's, I think, the benefit that this one has on top of the other ones that does not have this power bank functionality built in. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I have ordered it from my own devices because I really liked it. Really like the power bank functionality inside it, so I wanted to try it. And let me know what you guys think, if you like it or not. And I will leave the link to buy this one in my video description, and you will be able to see its price right here, whatever is its current price. And again, the links will be listed in the video description for anyone interested. Please do share your feedback. Take great care of yourself. Bye.